Hey guy, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Make sure you turn on notification so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So in this video, I'm going to take you through crypto trading for beginners full course. You can see on my screen, crypto trading for beginners full course. So I will teach you how to use chatgpt to master crypto trading without paying for any course outside there. Some of you have been scammed. You have bought 1 or 2 courses on crypto trading. You have a promise 1,000 times profit or 100 times profit. So, but not to show for it. Now, you are not the only one there. I've also been there. I know how it is. So this secret I'm about to show you. By the time I show you this secret, you'll be on your way to learn through trading on your own, without need to buy any course. Now, what are you going to be learning in this course? You'll be learning forms of crypto trading. So you'll be learning what crypto trading is and the forms, different types of crypto trading that we have. And you'll also be learning what? You'll be learning future trading, spot trading, the launchpool, digital trading. Then you'll be learning crypto exchanges. You'll also be learning the crypto bots. Remember that this course is not the end, because it's just the fundamental. As I'm taking to advance. So by the time you learn this one fundamental, so I will not take it to advance. So this one is just the basic for the beginners. Now let's go to the video now. Without further ado. Now, what we mean by crypto trading? What do you mean by crypto trading? When I talk about crypto trading, it means you are trading what? You are trading assets. You are trading assets. Now let's ask chatgpt. Let us ask chatgpt what crypto trading is about. Let us ask chatgpt. Now, let me go to chatgpt. If you don't have chatgpt in your phone, you can download it, or you go to Chrome. You can go to Chrome to download it, to search for it. Now let me show you. This is the app. But let me show you the two. Now, let's say you want to download chatgpt from your Play Store. For those that are using Android, so you can actually download it from Play Store. I think the iOS should also be able to do that, but I'm using Android. So just go to search bar and type what? chatgpt. It's free. You can see that it's telling me to download and to update. So your own will tell you to download. So just download it. So I won't download now because of the video, so I'll download it after the video. So after downloading, you click on open. So it's open like this. You can see. So before the end of the video, I will show you how to get it from the your Google Chrome. So let's ask Google. Now, by the time you let's ask ChatGPT. Now, by the time you open your ChatGPT, it will tell you to sign up. So you sign up. There, after signing up, you log in. Now, when you log in, it will tell you, it will ask you this different type of questions. Say, what can I help you with? what can I help with? So you can see. So is it to create image? Is it to summarize text? Is it to analyze data? So just click on just anyone that you want to do there. And for me now, like if you click on this more, you can see. So you can tell ChatGPT to do anything for you. You can tell it to do what? To brainstorm for you. Maybe an idea. You can tell it to give you surprise, to help you write, to get advice, and also to make plan. So it can do series of things for you. But for this one that we are doing now, just come to this ask anything. Click on this ask anything and type. Tell me, just write good English. Tell me about crypto trading. You can see. Tell me about crypto trading. Then click on this arrow. Click on this arrow. So if you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. You can see. You can see. Can you see what I'm saying now? So why pay for course? I'm not saying you should not pay for course, but there are some courses there that are scam. That you won't get anything. Now you can see what this ChatGPT give to us. It breaks it down for you. It said crypto trading is the process of buying, selling, or exchanging cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. You can see, to make a profit. So to trade crypto, you must either buy or sell. And not only buying, you have to buy. There are some cryptocurrency that you have to buy, and there are some that you don't have to buy, because not every cryptocurrency will give you profit. Let that one sink into your brain. Not every cryptocurrency gives you what? Profit. Because there are some that if you buy it, you lose your money. And there are some that if you buy it, you make profit. So example of those ones that if you buy, you can make profit is what? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Now let's go further and look at what ChatGPT gives to us. It says it works similarly to stock or forex trading, but it's focused on data as a casino. So ChatGPT is also telling us similarity between stock and cryptocurrency, forex and cryptocurrency casino. So let's go down. It said types of crypto trading. So he said we have spot trading, we have future trading, margin trading, P2P trading, arbitrage trading. So if you continue to scroll down, you can see that this ChatGPT is what? Is a game changer. Some of you know this secret. Some of you know about ChatGPT, but you don't know how to use it. You can see. Now, I'm not going to only show you how to learn it on ChatGPT. I'm going to show you the practical aspect, the practical, so that you can know how to use it, so that you can know that this ChatGPT is a secret, is a game changer, it's a secret. Now in this video, I'm not going to log the video, so I'm just going to based on this ChatGPT. So in the first series of the video, so you can see that that's giving us different. You can see now this is popular exchanges that you can actually use. You can see this is a mind blow. You can see you can see that it highlights everything for us. You can see it is telling us the steps that you can see. It says, do you want me to give you best strategy for beginners? You can see how to trade meme coins, or step by step guide to start trading on Bybit. You can see So we're going to explore this ChatGPT to learn what crypto trading. So if I get value from this video, so subscribe to my channel and share. So in my next video, I'm going to show you what we mean by what spot trading, how you can use it, future trading, how you can actually use it. Now I'm going to know this video will be series so that you can learn it easily. So if I get value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. So before I end this video, so let me quickly show you I can actually do what I can actually get this ChatGPT from Google Chrome. So let us wait for it to load. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So you click on the new tab. Now you come to this search. Come to search and search at chatgpt. You can see. So just click on this ChatGPT. So when you click on it, it will bring you. You can see this is it. You can see it says ask ChatGPT anything for free. So just click on it. So when you click on it, it will show you the interface like the one that we use on the mobile. So it's just like that. So you don't have to do the same thing. Can you see that thing? So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. So make sure you turn on notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.